Samsung is on the brink of unveiling the beta iteration of One UI 8, following its continued pledge to deliver consistent updates for One UI 7 on legacy Galaxy models. The tech giant has been meticulously refining the core framework of One UI 8, which is based on the upcoming Android 16 platform. Recent speculation indicates the beta version might debut as early as this month, and today, compelling signs suggest that may indeed be the case. A major indicator that Samsung is gearing up for a rapid beta launch of One UI 8 is the surfacing of beta program pages for the Galaxy S25 series on its official community forums. These listings have recently gone live in the following regions: 1. United States, 2. United Kingdom, 3. Germany. The appearance of these beta program listings carries weight. Historically, their emergence has frequently preceded imminent beta rollouts. According to unofficial sources, Samsung might initiate the beta phase of One UI 8 as soon as next week. This projected timeline appears to be a strategic move following Google's announcement that Android 16 is expected to debut this summer, several months earlier than usual. Since One UI 8 is rooted in Android 16, Samsung aims to stay proactive and avoid the delays experienced with One UI 7. The launch of One UI 7 last year was hampered by notable setbacks, including 1. A delayed kickoff in December 2024, 2. Limited rollout to older handsets until April 2025. This time, Samsung seems determined to streamline deployment and ensure punctual delivery. The One UI 8 beta phase will enable the brand to detect and resolve bugs prior to the stable build's launch. Once Samsung finalizes the One UI 7 distribution, its attention will pivot to One UI 8. As with previous releases, Samsung plans to initiate a beta scheme for select Galaxy phones in designated regions, giving users early access to fresh features and improvements before the formal launch. The program could begin as early as May, but which models will participate? As of May 20th, Samsung has not published any official details regarding the One UI 8 beta initiative. This silence leaves room only for speculation about compatible models. Samsung has been methodically crafting One UI 8, and we've tested initial firmware on devices including the Galaxy S25, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and Galaxy Z Flip 5. However, this does not confirm that each of these devices will be eligible for the One UI 8 beta. Currently, the beta firmware for One UI 8 is exclusive to the Galaxy S25 series. It's likely that the first wave will be limited to the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, with the potential addition of the Edge variant. Samsung may gradually broaden the program to cover legacy models, though given the One UI 7 beta was confined to the Galaxy S24 series for several months, it's best to adopt a cautious outlook and manage expectations until more is disclosed. Ideally, an extended beta phase won't be necessary. The feature list for One UI 8 is relatively streamlined, and according to Google, Samsung is projected to release the official One UI 8 upgrade by September or October this year. Still, until Samsung provides confirmation, it's wise to remain reserved. Wondering if your Galaxy device will support One UI 8? Stay updated by reviewing our exhaustive list of compatible models. Another positive development is that One UI May 8 introduce a function enabling users to listen to their Now Brief. Initially launched with the Galaxy S25 range in January, Now Brief provides a tailored overview of your day. Presently text-based, it seems Samsung is developing an audio-based version. A standout function in One UI 7, based on Android 15, was the Now Bar, which includes the Now Brief. Looking ahead to One UI 8, anchored in Android 16, this feature is slated for a major enhancement. Based on early analysis of the One UI 8 code, users may soon be able to listen to their Now Brief via a new Listen Brief feature. Our examination of the One UI 8 firmware confirms Samsung is actively implementing a Listen Brief button. Screenshots of code snippets confirm this development. Now Brief offers an overview of your morning, afternoon, or evening, including forecasts, appointments, traffic updates, and current news. Listen Brief appears to be an audio-enabled counterpart, giving users access to the same details without reading. One image implies users may choose between Samsung's or Google's text-to-speech technology. Another screenshot shows users will be able to pause, play, or stop the audio as needed. This could prove beneficial for those driving or engaged elsewhere. It's also a promising accessibility feature for users with visual impairments or alternative needs. With recent progress, Samsung has several opportunities to enrich its app's usability. Tech journalist Joe Mering, for instance, found the Now Brief underwhelming after several weeks of use, likening it to a more polished news and weather feed. He advocated for real-time sports scores, email previews, and parcel tracking. We hope Listen Brief is just the beginning of improvements for Now Brief in One UI 8. Meanwhile, Google has officially launched its Android 16 beta, allowing users to explore the next-gen OS. While Android 16 has been in the works for some time, Samsung looks to be aligning its One UI 8 rollout for an early debut. Recently, the South Korean firm extended One UI 7 to its older handsets. We expect the stable One UI 8, based on Android 16, to land in the coming months. A recent leak hints that Samsung could release the first One UI 8 beta within the next few weeks, well ahead of schedule. For those eager to learn about Android 16 and One UI 8 enhancements, here's what we know so far. During a keynote at Google I/O 2025, Google executives unveiled the functionality of live updates on stock Android. They also confirmed this feature will roll out on smartphones by Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo, and Xiaomi. A demo showcased live updates in action on Android 16 handsets like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The accompanying image shows live updates in the Now bar of Samsung phones. As this function is exclusive to Android 16 devices, the Galaxy S25 Ultra shown is clearly operating on One UI 8.0. A prime example of live updates in use is Uber Eats, a leading food delivery app offering real-time updates on order progress. The interface includes 5 status stages from order placement to delivery, along with 3 buttons: call, message, and tip. Google confirmed live updates are now available for food delivery, navigation, and ride-hailing services. There's also potential for broader integration, subject to each app's requirements. Additionally, live updates will be extended to Galaxy smartwatches through a Wear OS upgrade coming in late 2026. In other news, a leak concerning One UI 8 watch suggests the forthcoming Galaxy Watch 8 range may include an older chipset. With the official unveiling of Samsung's latest wearables just weeks away, anticipation is mounting. Fans are eager for not only design innovations, but also new features introduced with One UI 8 watch. Early leaks point to several exciting additions. Notably, One UI 8 watch introduces revamped tile previews, including a new half-size layout and varied design examples highlighting these tweaks. As we await full specifications for the Galaxy Watch 8 series, we're gaining a clearer picture of its capabilities. Remember to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech coverage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until tomorrow,